Hey there, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to iTech Explore. This is a place where we explore, create, and grow fast with technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube's thumbnail using Canva step by step. A great thumbnail helps you stand out, catch attention, and make viewers want to click your video. And guess what? We don't need any fancy software here, just Canva and your creativity. Now, let's dive into the video. First thing that we need to do is search for canva.com. So if you don't have any account yet, then you need to sign it up. Sign up right here, but I already have an account, so therefore I have to log in directly. So here's the web page of the Canva, and then the left side of this are its tools. You can explore it here. Your Canva give us a lot of choices here depending on what you want to create. So it's just right here for education, sheets, documents, or whiteboard presentations for social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you need to do. There's a lot here. You can also customize your own size here, but you can just simply type in here what you need, just like what we have here. What will you design today? We can just write here the YouTube thumbnail, and it will give us different templates of YouTube thumbnail that is very catchy, yeah, suitable for whatever niche that you have. So we have a lot of free versions here. You can choose those free version. If you want the pro version, then you need to upgrade your account to pro version. So I already made thumbnail that I have uploaded, but I can't find here. Now, if I click create a blank YouTube thumbnail, so I can find here what I recently used. So you just click that one. So let's just change the color according to our brand. The color is the one that serves as the identity of our brand. Okay, so here you go. Since this is white color, so it does not suit with our background. So let's also have to change that one into black and this one as well. So it's quite good. Now our video is all about how to change YouTube channel name. So it's just right here how to change. I don't have any issue with the style. I like the simplicity, so that's why I just have to edit this text here. How to change channel. So channel name is quite lengthy, so I just decided to quite adjust this one. To duplicate, you can just simply press Ctrl D on your keyboard. So here, name. You can change the color of your background for this channel name depending on what do you think will attract your audience. I want here the YouTube logo only that appears with here. So how to change YouTube? So YouTube here will be just a logo. Okay, so let's go to elements and then find the YouTube logo. Here are the graphics, photos. You can um navigate that one, see all, and then everything will come. Just use this one, and then we can rotate. So if you can see here this circle, that means you can rotate. Okay, and just put it there. So it already means YouTube channel. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Now, this isn't our picture, so therefore, we need to change that one. Let's find our photo here. So I already uploaded here photo. If you don't have your photo yet, then you're going to go here, upload file, and then you're going to find any photo that you already have saved in your local file. And then open. So it will be uploaded. Okay, but I already have here, then I utilize this one. This photo isn't really that suitable, but I don't have any photo yet, so that's why I just use this one. We don't like the background to appear here. We can just simply go to remove background, but remove background is on the paid version. You can't use this one if you're using the free. But I will give you another separate tutorial if you want to upload PNG photo so that your uploaded file will appear as no background already. Then you can just simply paste it here. All right. I just want this logo to appear also in our thumbnail. Now we're going to make it smaller because it's just a logo. So I want to reflect here my change YouTube channel. We want to convey that we are changing our YouTube channel. We want to make a little bit of design here so that it won't look dull. So let's just go to elements and let's just find something that we can use. Okay, just type in boom. There's a lot that you can choose here, and okay, this is one that I use, but this is under the pro version. You can choose a lot here, like for example, this one. Yeah, it covers that one. No, we can right click on the graphics and then go to layer, then send to back. You can adjust, still adjust that one, even if it appears in the back. Okay, but we don't want this one. So therefore, we're going to choose with one that we like. This is it. Again, right click, or you can also click this one. If you click the image and then this one will appear, the three dots will give you this one. And then, yeah, just go to layer and just right here, send to back. Okay, here we go. Now we're done. We need to download this one as a PNG. Just click right here, share. It's already suggested a PNG file. You can just simply download directly. So it's downloading. All right. So that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, then please give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to keep updated for our new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!